If you're looking to apply for the O1 visa and I'm trying to figure out how can I freelance on that visa, watch this video to get all your questions answered. Hi everyone, my name is Marcus and I'm an immigration attorney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the O1 visa and how you can possibly freelance on it. So one of the most common questions I always get is that, can I freelance on the O1 visa? And the answer is, it depends. So the O1 visa is actually a very special type of visa, and it is one of the very few ones that allow you to work with multiple employers, meaning freelance. But you do have to be able to set it up in the paperwork so that you can actually do that. And the way you do that is by having an agent. So an agent, don't think of it as like an artistic agent, like a literary agent, theatrical agent, an agent that gets you jobs or something like that. An agent, for purposes of immigration law, basically means a go-between. So there's this person called the agent, and then there's the employer who's presumably hiring you for the job. So this agent is the go-between between you and the employer. Practically speaking, all this really means is that it just needs to be set up in the paperwork. So for example, you're going to need a contract between you and the agent, basically saying that this person is allowed to be the agent between you and the employer for the purposes of immigration law. You need that contract between both of you, as well as all the contracts between you and the employer. There needs to be like a little bit of a paragraph that basically states that the employer allows this agent to be this go-between between both of you. So that's basically how it works. So the easiest way that I set it up in my paperwork is usually I get the petitioner, the person who's going to sponsor you for the O1, to be your agent as well. You don't have to do that, but I usually find it's a lot easier if it's going to be the same person, and then that way they can just sign off on like all the paperwork anyway. So that's basically how you do it. So two ways: contracts need to have like that little paragraph that says that the agent is the go-between between you and the employer. The agent has to sign off on the contracts, and there needs to be like a specific contract between you and the agent, basically saying that you have this agent, beneficiary relationship in the first place, and that's how you do it. The thing is that if you don't have an agent and you just have like one single employer, you're not supposed to freelance. So that means that for the entire 3 years, you're only supposed to work with this one specific employer. So that's why it's super important for you to be able to set it up in the paperwork, because if you don't do that, you're actually not allowed to freelance and work with multiple people. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, comments, please comment below and like and subscribe so that I can continue giving you more information about this area of immigration law. See you soon.